Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're going to talk about the Maxsports from Daytona. Okay, so a new boot from Daytona, the Maxsport, a new concept from them as well. So let's talk about a few of the features and I'll run you through what it's all about. So this boot's a full leather boot, cow leather throughout, apart from the stretch panels which are kangaroo leather, as on all Daytonas, so you get a better stretch through the kangaroo leather on these stretch panels here on the boot. Otherwise, it's a full cow leather boot. You've got a Gore-Tex membrane running through it. So it's a standard Gore-Tex, you've got the thermal backing to it as well, so it's a spring, winter, autumn type product. A bit warm for the summer. You could wear it in the summer because it's Gore, so it's breathable, but it's really a spring, winter, autumn product. Let's run through some of the build features. As always with Daytona, you've got fantastic build quality, no expense spared on build. So full leather, suede across the top here just for a little bit of matte detailing. So that front panel's a nice suede material. As you can see, back to the beautifully soft and comfortable stretch material on the back, so it's going to give you loads of comfort. Double zip, so pretty standard across a lot of Daytonas now. You've got a double zip system, so it's just easier to get on and off. And as always with Daytona, you've got the spiral zip, so it's easier and will last you longer than a standard zip. To open it up again, you can see the build quality inside. There's your Gore-Tex membrane running around the inside. Even on the inside here, you've got your punch vented leather, increasing the breathability of the boot running down the inside, so you get nice high quality. Stretch panel around the top. This again is leather, it's just been sewn, so it gives you this sort of effect around the top. Absolutely beautiful quality. Coming back round, stretch panel down the front, as I say, suede detailing around here. Materials are of the top notch, absolute highest grade. Punch vented leather again in this panel here, just increasing breathability a bit and giving it a bit more style and form. Running around the back, you've got a high reflective area on the back, 3M Scotch light, and running around the front, toe protector, and underneath that there's an aramid fibre plate, so when you're changing gear on the bike, your toenails aren't going to wear through the membrane. Again, unique to Daytona that, and it's really important because most boots leak through the toe or through the sole, and that cuts down the chance of this boot ever leaking on the toe area. Coming around to the sole, now this is really where the magic happens with this boot. It's completely unique to Daytona again. You've got oil and water resistant sole, you've then got your steel shank underneath, giving you support in your instep. You've got an anatomic footbed built in, but what you've got inside this, as you'd find with say a Lady Star, the classic Daytona ladies boot, this is a men's and ladies boot. You've got the sole runs in and then runs up here and gives you about 2.5 inches extra on your inside leg. So those guys and girls are struggling to get their foot flat on the floor, you've got that extra height on the heel. Takes a bit of getting used to, a couple of weeks. Once you're used to it, just makes riding and stopping the bike a little bit safer and a bit more comfortable. So there's your Daytona boot, absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful Sport Max boot and it just works fantastically well. Full leather, Gore-Tex, Daytona build quality, all made in Germany, all leather, everything you need. For any more information, go to Bikerheadz, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.